you're experiencing a login failure with error code 2026 on Roblox, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into your account quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you are using a web browser to access Roblox, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Go to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. Sometimes, these services can interfere with your connection to Roblox servers, leading to login failures. Step 4. Update Roblox. Make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed on your device. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website. Step 5. Contact Roblox support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error code and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and enjoy your time on Roblox again.